Simplify the process of building a hardwood tile deck with deck tile connectors from DeckWise. This convenient connector provides a barrier between the tile and the subsurface to elevate the material and prevent rotting. The corner pins are compatible with many pre-drilled deck tiles, and the pine tree shape of the pins creates a secure connection. The connector is made of a durable chemical and UV-resistant polyethylene material and is available in several colors, each designed to blend with different shades of tiles. These tiles are available individually or in cases of 78. Build your hardwood tile deck easily with the deck tile connector by DeckWise. You can find it now on DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Travis. I'm one of the content specialists here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316, or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.